We begin tonight's celebrations with Rangavandana. Yes, you heard Lakshmi say that as well. It's a graceful Ganesh Stuti presented in the elegant Kerala Nadanam style. A lot of you might not have seen this before. Let's experience that. It's a sacred innovation seeking the blessing of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles. And tonight's performance, we all pray, will go ahead with grace, joy and success. This piece is based on Sri Vignarajam Bhaje, the timeless 18th century composition of Uthukudu Venkata Subbayar, set in the majestic raga of Gambhira Nate and Kanda Chaputalam, praising the lotus-eyed Lord. Let's welcome the team on stage. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Rangavandana.
सन्ततमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं दन्तिसुन्दरमुखं मन्तकातकसुतं तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे
श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं 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 भजे तमिह श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे कनककेयूरहारावळी कलितगम्भीरगौरगिरिशोभं सुशोभं
कनककेयूरहारावळी कलितगम्भीरगौरगिरिशोभं सुशोभं
कामारि भयभरितमूढमदकलिकलुषकन्तितमखण्ड प्रतापम्
कामादिभयभरितमूढमदकलिकलुषकण्टितमखण्ड प्रतापम्
सनकसुकनारद पतञ्जलि पराशर मतङ्ग मुनिसङ्ग सल्लापम्